Hey guys, sorry I haven't done anything in a while. I've been a little under the weather, but we are working on hand placements when you're blowing a call. So right there where that that skin in between your two fingers, I like to place that one finger right on there. And when you're doing it okay, you want to put that on there and you just close your fingers. Not too much or else it'll sound like a little too deep, but you just want to have your fingers about here where that's just like you can fit your finger into there. And then second of all, you want to have your hand resting right about here where it's covering the hole, but just enough. So it's like it'll make that good sound that you need. But depending on the person, you can use the two fingers, but you can like put that finger and you can put the two fingers over. It's like you can use you can use two fingers, but I like to use one because it makes it more deep, like makes a more deeper sound. And I was using the same air pressure. But when you're doing a high cluck, you move your hand a little. I open my hand. But depending, you can use a little voice and put your hand like you move it like this. Or depending, you can just use, and then depending, you can just do. Depending on who you are, you can just use this way or this way. I like to do this way or this way, like I do. But when you're doing that low cluck, you want to have your hands, what I did earlier, you want to have your hands just like this. I don't put any voice to that. When I'm doing the high one, I put a little voice into it. Or I'm doing the low one, I don't. But when you're doing the moan, second of all, when you're doing the moan, you want to have your hands relatively close because it's going to sound like it sounds as good as that deep goose moan. And you want to have your hands like this, like I did earlier. And you want to have your hands close, like you want to have your hands relatively close. You want to blow that hot air from your diaphragm. You want to blow that over your tongue. I'm not doing anything with my tongue or anything. And you just close your hands when you're doing that mode. High clucks, either this or this. Low clucks are just this. There you go. So, bye guys.